As the worldwide lockdown continues, finding a creative outlet becomes ever more important. So in a month that has 5 Fridays, we've chosen a variety of projects and techniques that you can master at home. May's book of the month is Fat Quarter Baby, from which Valerie Nesbitt talks through the details of the fabulous Peyton quilt, which she feels gets overlooked. Paula Doyle brings us a very comprehensive guide to the act of hand quilting, and a lovely new workshop called Homespun Harmony, which uses lots and lots of lovely fabric, is machine pieced and based on the traditional 9-patch. But who would have guessed? Our Technique Thursday video also features Valerie, as she shows us how to rescale your patchwork blocks so that you can take a new look at a favourite pattern or block. She shares with us her simple way of creating foolproof attic windows with the help of an iron. And she's also getting to grips with some lovely oak-shot fabrics in this Paths and Styles workshop. We enjoy the return of knitting expert Sarah Hatton, who gives us a very informative introduction to cable. And Jennie Rayment returns with this unusual chicken doorstop project. In a separate workshop, she shows us how to create jewel-shaped boxes and cushions, and also this month shows us how to make this nifty handbag. And talking of bags, we have a delightful workshop from Jo Gourlay, making this fabulous Scottie Dog Bag. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.